Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Today we will see how to make Kashmiri Pulao. Let us have a look at the ingredients. Wash and soak 1½ cups of basmati rice in water. After half an hour, drain the water and keep it aside. Soak a few saffron strands in 1 tablespoon of warm milk. Heat 3 tablespoons of ghee in a pan and fry 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts. When it turns light brown, take it out. Now fry some raisins and keep it aside. Fry half a cup of thinly sliced onion. When it turns brown, take it out and keep it aside. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee and saute 3 green cardamom, 2 black cardamom, 1 bay leaf, 1 inch cinnamon stick and 3 cloves. Saute this for a few seconds and add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 3 crushed green chilies, 1 tablespoon of mint leaves and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Saute this for some time and add the soaked basmati rice. Fry this for 1 minute. Now add 3 cups of water, the saffron soaked milk, half portion of the fried onion and a little salt. Stir well. Place a lid and cook it over low flame till the rice is cooked. It's done. Turn off the flame. Now add the fried cashew nuts and raisins, 2 tablespoons of cubed apple, 2 tablespoons of cubed pineapple, 2 tablespoons of pomegranate seeds and 15 to 20 grapes. Mix well. Garnish with julienne almonds and fried onion. Serve hot. Please do try and post your feedback.